Hi, it's Beth at Majestic Cupcakery, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious Nutella stuffed chocolate chip cookies. When you get them hot out the oven and pull them apart, the stuffed centre just oozes with chocolatey goodness. They're amazing, give them a try. So I'm starting off by making the Nutella centres for the cookies. I'm scooping out 1 tablespoon of Nutella onto a pre-lined baking tray. This recipe does make 20 cookies. In this bowl I have 226 grams of butter that I have melted and browned a little for added flavour. Then I'm adding 200 grams of brown sugar and 135 grams of caster sugar, and then giving it a little mix around to make sure it's all incorporated. In goes 2 eggs, one at a time, and again mix until the egg is all combined in the mixture. We then add our plain flour with 2 teaspoons of cornflour added to it. This helps your cookies from going too flat. Followed by a teaspoon of bicarb soda, a teaspoon of baking powder and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Oh, and don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're just going to mix until we can't see any flour anymore, adding our chocolate chips into the mix in the process. Just keep going until you have a pliable dough. The tray is lined ready for the oven, and I've just got the frozen Nutella centres out the freezer. This is some I made earlier. I'm just going to show you how to put them together ready to be baked. So you just want to take a good tablespoon of dough and flatten it out, pressing it together, then making a little well in the middle. Then take your Nutella centre and just fold the dough over to cover it up. Then just roll it around in your hands to rounding it off. You just want to put these in the fridge for half hour. While you're doing that, preheat the oven to 160 degrees fan, then bake at 160 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden. And this is what you should end up with. Delicious hot and cold, definitely one of my favourite cookie recipes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to keep up to date with our weekly creations. Why not leave a comment with suggestions of what recipes you would like to see? I would love to hear from you all. See you next time. Bye!